Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hey guys, this is your boy Agent Noel back here with another video today. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a really cool upgrade. It's also for safety as well. Before I do that, a quick disclaimer. It's not an paid promotional video. The company I'm showing you here, the LED light bulbs are from, they don't even know me. My channel is too small to get sponsored anyway. So you guys can put your trust on me because I'm not going to be biased about this. First, you have to open your hood. Always remember, your headlight has two different sizes of headlight bulbs. As this car has like one H11 size, another one is H9005. It's pretty easy to do. Just unplug the bulb, take it out, put back the new one, and then plug it in. It's that easy. Do the same thing with all four of those, and you'll be good.
It sound right, boys.
It sound right, boys.